pal. Nice to see ya.
Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of John's Mickey Mouse animated lamp, and he's from Michigan. And so basically this lamp wasn't working, and we're going to kind of do a final check here. I want to clean my soldering gun here real quick. And so basically what we're going to do is I'm going to do some final soldering here. I want to do some touch-ups, and I'm going to try to get in here and do that right now. Make sure I pull this board back. Got a piece of tape holding the board. And I want to touch this solder up. I've already replaced the SCR and the fuse, and now I just want to go in and make sure that everything is soldered up real nice. And touch a couple of these spots I didn't like. We'll finish this up in a second here. Kind of look that over a little bit. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's going to be fine. Just doing some final looking it over. We're going to go ahead and pull everything around, and I will put everything back together here in a minute. We're going to go ahead and plug the unit in. I'm going to swing it around. I want to make sure that everything is on. To turn the sound on.
What a bright idea.
There we go. And now I want to...
Lights out. What you doing? So long, pal. Ah, that's better. See you real soon, Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya. Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did. So long, pal.
Okay, so now that we know Mickey is repaired, we can contact John and let him know. And Mickey's ready to go home. Basically, we do a lot of different animated telephones and things, and these animated lamps kind of fall into that same situation where, you know, they're animated, and we get these in. We see Mickey from time to time here, these lamps, and John did not send the shade in with this one. There was no need to. Now I'm hoping John has the piece that, usually there's a piece of cardboard that they put on these right here at the light socket, and this one's missing, but I see that his lampshade screws down, so maybe all that is he's got the protective cover with that. I hope so, because I didn't find it in the box. But if it were a situation where the socket here, and I'm touching that because you can only you can touch one side of the electric, but I wouldn't do that. I do this every day, but because it is plugged in. But basically, you know, they do make the little tubes that go over that. So if it is a thing where he doesn't have that piece, you know, you can get them at like hardware stores and things like that. They're just little socket protectors. But I have a feeling that on his lampshade, it probably screws down, because I see where he's, you know, got some threads here and he screwed it down. So that's probably not missing. But I didn't find anything in the box for that, so he probably has that part. So Mickey is finished up, and he's all happy again. And we'll try him one more time.
See what you're doing. Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did. Ah, that's better. Be a real food, huh?
Now with these Mickey Mouse animated lamps, you don't want to run a bulb in them that's too high. I wouldn't run more than like 40 watts in them, because them shades are hard to get a hold of, and a lot of times people will melt them by putting too big of a bulb in them. So that might be one thing that you want to, you know, be careful about. You don't want to put too big of a bulb in there and create too much heat. But Mickey is a really cool lamp, and it's animated. These are very sought after. They're highly collectible. We get calls from time to time, people wanting to buy them, see if we have any in the shop, and we don't really sell them, we repair them.
So